girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I picked she ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. And again, I can be drunk. Yeah. I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. And 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs, it's like a law. I know it just be the best. I'm looking at her, and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably trapped to the birds. At 29 is my address, in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Whenever I tease, when I feast. Sleeping and slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it out the creek. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you about it to rail? And now that gets down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me that you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. But then again, I can be drunk.
Stay on my in the distance. I'm new to all of this. It takes some finesse. I see you this. We can't move from there. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change so that I can stay. So bad when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Beauty Forever Hair, and today I'm reviewing this beautiful plum colored closure unit. And you guys, this unit is so beautiful. I did a review on something like this not that long ago, so this time I decided to style it a little bit different, and I wand curled this unit, and I'm so happy that I did because it came out so good. So this is the curling wand that I use. This one is like so old. It's from Conair, and if you guys ever are looking for like an affordable like hot tool brand, I would definitely suggest going the Conair route because this has lasted me literally for years. It's been hanging in there over the years, so you could barely even see the name anymore right here. You see it's like all faded off. I think it used to be called Infinity Conair or something. But I like this curling wand nonetheless because it goes up to 400 degrees and you guys can see the beautiful curls that you can get with using a wand curl versus using like a crimping iron or something like this. I just feel like it looks so beautiful. And the fact that this unit came layered, okay, that definitely helped us out with the curls, and that's what's like making it look so good and framing my face perfectly. So I really love that. And this curling iron, it goes from this really thick side it goes from really thick to really skinny. So I love that about it because you just get the perfect curls every time. And it doesn't matter if you know how to do hair or not. As long as you have something like, you know, a curling wand, you can easily curl your hair and it'll look beautiful just like this. You don't have to be a professional to do it. And I didn't use any hairspray today either, if you guys are wondering what products I use. The only thing that I did use was a little heat protectant spray, but other than that, this unit is just as is, and it just looks so pretty, you guys. I love, love, love this color. Like, can we really get into that? And then look how flawless this hairline is. It's so natural. Like, look at that, it's pre-plucked perfectly. And then just to give like the front a little more height, I did use my hot comb. This is from my company Taste Levels. I no longer sell these, but I may bring them back this year. I'm gonna try to reach out to my old vendor and see if they can still, you know, make these for me. If not, then we'll definitely opt for a new brand, because I've been using mine for a really long time as well. I love my hot comb because it goes up to 480 degrees. It gets extremely hot and I love it. It's also really cute and pink and sparkly. You guys know I love anything that's pink. But this is how I got the height here, and it definitely matters when you're curling your hair like this to add a little bit of height to it, because it just gives a better like waterfall type of effect. And then in my part here, I just use some concealer. I use the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I went right in with the concealer in my part. Normally I use a brush, but I don't know where my brush is, so I just decided to just use this right on the lace and everything, and that's just what helps it look a lot better. And as you guys notice, I did not put makeup on the lace today. Usually you guys know I would use like my NARS foundation and a makeup brush and I would go across the lace, but I didn't have to do that, and I just really wanted to try it out because I feel like if you're already wearing makeup, I feel like it makes sense to just put the lace on regular, and then it'll just melt into your makeup that you already have on. So that's what I did, and this is how it turned out. It looks so flawless. Okay, absolutely no complaints there. I do currently have my unit in a 22-inch, and this is a 7x5 unit. This unit does have the bye-bye knot, so that's what's going to give you a very natural look, which I can of course appreciate. Nobody wants a unit like that has like really big knots that are like really obvious, so I like the fact that the knots on here are really small and undetectable, and that's what gives you a more natural and realistic hairline with a unit like this. And you guys see, I didn't add any baby hairs or anything like this. I didn't even have to add like a melting band, although they did give us 2 melting bands, which was really generous of them to do, and I think they're also really cute. But you don't even need to use a melting band to get this to like melt seamlessly. And then as far as products I used today, I did use the Got to Be Glued. You guys know this is my holy grail. I've been using this since I first started doing installs. Love, love, love this product. I did not use lace front glue. A lot of times people, when they see me do this, they think I do lace front glue because it's white and it dries clear, but no, it's literally just the Got to Be Glue gel. I never use lace front glue, ever, ever, ever. But yeah, this unit did come with everything pre-done for you. It also comes with an elastic band, so you can use that and you can go for a more glueless install. But because I didn't put makeup on the lace, that's why I use the products, so that way that the makeup so my makeup can like blend in with the actual lace. So that's why I did use the Got to Be Glue, but you don't have to do that. Definitely go for a glueless install with a unit like this. And it does have 2 straps, so you get the adjustable elastic band that hooks in at the top, and then you also have the adjustable straps in the very back as well. So I am loving that because this unit is so snug. And you also get lace tape if that's something that you're interested in. It's completely up to you whether or not you want to use that. But yeah, you guys, I love, love, love how this came out. I think it's so pretty. It's very, very grown, you know, and classy. Looks so good. I feel like this color complements my skin tone, and it's like a beautiful color without doing too much. So I love that about it as well. It's just so pretty. So if you want to get this unit for yourself and try it out, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Beauty Forever Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.